In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and tapping on security over here. Then tap on face unlock and click on gray switcher after entering your current screen lock. Following that, tap on face unlock settings, choose continue, keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions and wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!